Saladmaster Healthy Virtual Cooking Show! I'm your health chef, I'm Balingit.
And I'm Aminette.
We're cooking for you the healthiest way using our Saladmaster. Sabi ko nga, this is our episode 2 for our Health Goals 2022. At ngayon ay ipapakita namin mga mamshies and all our Saladmaster lovers na ang easy way, papakita namin ang easy way to prepare seafood Pompano Oriental. If you have watched our virtual culinary sa Bennett Saladmaster, yung isang Sabado, yung mother-daughter tandem series, no, mami? Nag-enjoy tayo lahat doon, no? Ngayon, papakita na lang natin ulit sa ating mga netizens, mga viewers, kung paano gawin itong recipe. Yung Sabado, dalawang Pompano. Paano kung isang Pompano? So, paano yung measurement? Yun yung tinatanong nila. So, papakita na namin ngayon. But today, we're going to use yung Saladmaster cookware. Saladmasterway. This is the 24 karat gold limited edition na 10-inch Skillet. Actually, yung handle nito, isang long, isang short. Trip ko lang ngayon, dalawang short. Naghiram ako sa ibang Saladmaster cookwares ko ng isang handle na short. Napakaganda. 24 karat gold po na totoo. Inlays, no, sa Saladmaster. This is a limited edition. This cookware has a rack. Yan yun, sa loob. Pero, for now, di ko muna siya gagamitin. Yung rack, no? Ito lang cookware alone. So, anong iluluto natin? Again, it's 15 minutes waterless steamed seafood Pompano Oriental. It's a Chinese dish, no? And it's very easy. Yung ingredients natin, ito lang po siya. Salt, pepper, sesame oil, 1/3 cup nito, 1/3 cup na oyster sauce. So, paghaluin po itong dalawa. Yung salt and pepper, isi-season sa ating fish medium na size na Pompano. Okay? Ito yung mixture ng oyster sauce tsaka sesame oil. And then you have the option if you wanna add 1/3 cup of cooking wine. Okay? Pero for now, kami sesame oil and oyster sauce. And then we have ginger, we have onions, we have carrots, we have onion leeks, and we have napa cabbage or pechay bagyo. That's all. Walang lalagay na water at hindi na tayo magbibisa. So, Mami Net will teach us how to cook this. The Saladmasterway. Itambak system na lahat.
Yeah.
Okay. So, first
We're gonna layer the
pechay bagyo sa ilalim.
pechay bagyo.
Sobrang dali lang ito, no, mga mams. Even yung mga kids, kayang gawin ito basta nakaprepare na yung ingredients, no? So, just layer the pechay bagyo. Okay. So, ano po yung kakasya sa pan? Yan. Okay.
Maybe this is enough.
Okay, next.
Then
is the seafood Pompano. Ito po yung season na cleaned na season with salt and pepper. Ang kagandahan sa Pompano, no, at may iba, prito, sitigang, inihaw. Ito po, kakaiba. Parang Chinese na 5-star dish. So now ginger, some ginger, and then the onions and onion leeks. Okay, napaka-easy. Sa iba, yung steps nila may kailangan pa daw i-gisa yan, no? Pero sa atin, walang water, walang oil. Yung sesame oil is for dressing only. That's for the marinade. So, yan. Okay na yan. Okay. Okay. And then, ilalagay na po yung ating sauce na mixture of oyster sauce and sesame oil. Okay. So, ganun lang siya. Tapos, do you know that Saladmaster maximizes the nutrients and flavors of the food. So, isasarado lang ho natin siyang ganyan and ganun, tapos na yan. Medium fire lang ho. Set lang ho natin na medium fire yung ating heat and that's gonna be 15 minutes only. Wag mo na siyang buksan, hayaan mo na siya dahil bumalik ka na lang after 15 minutes and then tapos na siya. So, after 15 minutes, babalikan mo natin siya. So, binabati mo namin lahat ng aming mga dear friends, families, all of our clients, no? Yung mga loyal clients namin, Saladmaster loyal clients. Thank you for supporting us and for trusting us, Saladmaster lover, and patuloy po namin kayong tutulungan, assist sa inyong mga Saladmaster needs. So if you have any questions, recipes, we are here to assist you. Just DM us at Saladmaster Lover by Balingit. That's my Facebook page. And then we also have follow us and subscribe dun sa aming YouTube channel at Balingit. Amazing lutuan, Saladmaster Lover PH. And pwede niyo po akong text or i-call 0922-897-5209 or 0906-403-8402. So again, friends, please take care of your health kasi ang kalaban talaga natin is yung virus. Virus pa din. And yung health natin. So to boost our health, one way na matulungan namin kayo is to prepare yung healthy dishes like this because we need to boost our immune system. That's the way how to beat yung illnesses. Okay? If you have a strong immune system, then you are going to be healthy. So proper diet, 90%, 10% exercise. Now, if you can't exercise, make sure that you have a proper diet. The 90% is being given with Saladmaster. Why? Because all of the food that is cooked with this 316 titanium stainless steel cookwares are clean, safe, non-reactant, and healthy. Alkalinic nga it balances the pH level of our body. So, these are doctor's recommended cookware. So, if you have any questions, just PM us! So, sa mga gusto magpabati dyan, comment lang kayo. Yung mga gusto mag-react, no? Thank you po sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin, yung mga direct message na nag-enjoy and nanonood. I don't know who you are, but I just want to say I'm so happy and thank you for your feedbacks. Nag-enjoy kayo and we will try to create a lot of more healthy home cooking videos for you. Yan. So that's it. Balikan natin to. Alright guys, we're back. By the way, we added another 5 minutes to steam our Pompano. So overall, 20 minutes po yung waterless way steam Pompano Oriental. And now, we have turned on the heat. Ang gagawin natin is papakita na natin yung finished product. So, lalagyan na natin yung detachable natin. I-attach mo na ulit. And here is our wow! Waterless steam Pompano. Very colorful. Alright? So, enjoy this Asian dish with your family. As you can see, nag-release pa siya ng steam, ng water steam. So, hindi po siya nasunog. And the sauce is perfectly distributed, pati yung vegetables, colorful pa din. So, ibig sabihin, yung Saladmaster na retain na yung 93% vitamins and minerals. As you can see, the fish is cooked. Paano natin malalaman kung lutong-luto yung isda? So, pakita ko lang. So, here's our Pompano. Yan. Paano mo malalaman kung luto na to, ma? At syempre, tikiman tayo na.
Tikiman tayo na. Ito yung masarap.
So, lalagay ni mami po yung, nakikita niyo yung fish. Look at the fish. It's perfectly cooked. And then yung vegetables is perfectly cooked din. Unang sauce si mami, tsaka yung vegetables.
Sarap.
Alam niyo po, kung nandito kayo, you can smell the aroma. It's really good. Para tayong nasa 5-star dining na Chinese restaurant. Di ba, ma'am? So, these are all healthy. Really boost our immune system. By the way, kung walang Pompano, pwede rin salmon. Pwede rin yung cream dory. Kung ano gusto niyo, fish or lapu-lapu, you can do it. Ganyan. Same procedure po tayo. Pwede rin shrimp, no? Or pwede rin chicken kung gusto nila ng chicken or pork. Basta gawin na lang Oriental steam Saladmaster with Saladmaster. So, tikiman tayo. So, fish ka muna, ma. Sa fish muna tayo mauna, ma. Tikman muna yung fish. Kung perfectly cooked at yung lasa ba nanuot. Yung flavors ba nanuot. Hindi man natin siya ginarito.
Saktong-sakto po yung lasa at yung timpla.
Perfectly cooked. Right? So, hindi mo na siya binantayan. Now, 20 minutes, just leave it and then balik ka na lang. Now, for the vegetables, we're going to check it. The carrot and bacon sa lagay. Blow muna po dahil mainit.
Crunchy.
So, Mami, kung i-rate na naman natin to, 1 out of 10, ma. 1 out of 10.
Number 10.
Ay, yung 10 yung highest, ha? Hindi 1. So, sabay tayo. What is the rate? Out of 10? 10 out of 10! Yay! So, again, this is another special dish. It will treat you or it will give you an experience like you have eaten on a 5-star dining experience.
It's really delicious.
So friends, if you love this video, please do like, share the video, and add the virus, comment, subscribe, and yun lang sabi namin. Thank you and God bless everyone and enjoy and happy healthy cooking!
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
God bless.